Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm from National Ramp. Today I'm here to talk to you about the taco bracket. It's also called the Dorito chip or the triangle thing. The reason this is so critical is because it helps ensure safety for your customer. So whether you're a new customer just learning our best practices or whether you've been with us for years and years, this is definitely a critical piece to your installation. There are 5 different configurations for how this is used. Platform to platform, ramp to platform, ramp to ramp, platform to ramp outside corner, and ramp to platform inside corner. So what you want to pay attention to is the configuration of the ramps because that will determine how you enter the taco bracket in and also how it will fasten.